Hello everyone, this is Karshika Narula from grade 10th and today I am here with another video on how to continuously change the background of a screen. So here I have this import random program of Tkinter in PyCharm Community Edition. So I'll run it and show you once. This goes like a disco light and suddenly I feel this is going too fast. So I'll just increase one more zero over here. I'll explain it to you, but now as you can see, it's going slower. So today I will show you how to make this program on your own, line by line. So firstly, I have this import random. We all know what import random is. Import random means it will import all the random integers which it has in a list, in a specific list. Now, right now, it doesn't know what the list is. So it isn't specifying anything, just import random. We're just randomly saying import random. Next, we have from tkinter import star. This is our basic line which I usually like to put in the first line so that we all can understand it nicely. So next line is root.tk. Both of these are root creation programs, and this is a root stopping program. So this will just continuously stop the root at the same time. Next, we have this def function, which has two usages, but as you can see, there's only one usage here. Now I will explain this code line by line to you. First, over here we have a equals to, and all these are simply colors which I have installed on my own from a website which I'll show you. So here we open and we can put in color, Python color list, Python tkinter color list, and as you can see I have this various colors over here. So all from all these colors I took out a few of my favorite ones, and here we are. So as you can see over here, when I run, all these are the different types of colors which are exhibited over here. I just copied all of them and put it on here. Next we have root.config bg. Config means changing a value which is already present in the code. So already our root has a original color which is gray. If I remove this, if I'll just remove this, run it, then as you can see the root is already like a whitish grayish thing. But I'll just put it back. This is basically calling the function so that it runs. If I don't call this, then the function won't be fetched in our main thing. So this def is basically like a inside thing of our computer, and it isn't shown in front until we call it. So I'll just call it again. Now A is the list in which all my colors are. I've took a lot of time just copy pasting these colors from my favorite Google page. As you can see, there are various different types of colors, so that even in the DJ we can get different pop-ups images. Now this line root dot after 100 comma change is very important because here we will be using a new function which I haven't told about in any of my videos. So root dot after means after this many seconds or this many milliseconds, usually after this many milliseconds we want this change, this function to be called. After this many milliseconds we want this function. So after 100 milliseconds we want change function to be called. After 100 milliseconds we want the change function to be called. So this is what we have over here. And now what I'll do is I will simply add a label to this program. So you can see I will add let's say test equals to label root comma, so root is the container in which our label will be seen. Text equals to this is disco light, DISC or disco. Right now I do not have any other things coming in my mind, so this is disco light should do. Next I will add comma bg equals to, let's keep the bg as what it is, comma fg equals to, let's take it as black. And then we also want it to like come in a bigger font. So font font equals to Arial, sorry, bracket Ariel, Ariel, comma, inverted comma, Ariel, comma, 42 should do. And now obviously we need to pack it. So test dot pack, bracket close. So now as you can see, when I run, this is disco light, and why isn't the change coming? So I'll just control C it here and then control V. Now as you can see, the change is still not coming, and we couldn't see the change that time because this background also needs to be changed. So bg equals to, let's just put it as random dot choice A. So this should do, control C. So this will also keep changing as our A is not defined. We need to do a global A here, yellow BAL A. And we will also copy all of this, just this over here. This whole list of mine, I don't want to write it again. So I'll just copy it. And I will make it over here also, so that it knows that it's the same list. Now when I run, it should happen. As you can see, this disco light is happening. Behind we have the disco light full on speed. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and that's it. So this is our whole code. Without the label, I find it better because without the label we can see it better. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.